As of July 2025, there are about 12 publicly listed Ethereum treasury companies, with Bitmine Immersion Technologies currently holding the largest position. Since the start of June, Bitmine has already acquired over 1.5 million Ethereum tokens, totaling nearly 1.25% of the total supply, and they've made it clear that their long-term goal is to secure as much as 5% of the entire Ethereum supply. There's also SharpLink, the second biggest Ethereum treasury company that's already accumulated nearly 750,000 Ethereum coins. That's almost 0.62% of total Ethereum supply in just 2 months, and they have already raised another $537 million to buy more Ethereum tokens. So together, Bitmine and SharpLink have already bought up nearly 2% of all the Ethereum in circulation in about 90 days. This surge in demand from Ethereum treasury companies is setting the stage for what's known as a supply squeeze. In simple terms, a supply squeeze happens when available supply for an asset dries up while demand keeps rising, which typically pushes prices sharply higher, and we're already seeing signs of it. Wintermute, one of the largest market makers, has said they have almost no Ethereum left for over-the-counter sales. If these treasury companies keep buying at the current pace and new ones continue to emerge, the upward pressure on Ethereum's price could become even more significant. According to a recent study, it takes around $135 million of capital to move Bitcoin's price by just 1%. Ethereum, however, is roughly twice as price sensitive. That means it would take less than $70 million to push Ethereum up by 1%. From current levels, it would require a little over $1 billion to push Ethereum up by 15% and reach new all-time highs. Now, of course, this is a theoretical scenario because it assumes that the entire amount hits the market all at once. But it does highlight the impact that institutional demand combined with aggressive buying from Ethereum treasury companies could have in driving a supply squeeze and sending Ethereum to new highs. And in this crypto bull run, we believe that scenario is well within reach. However, in the near term, Ethereum could continue to consolidate after a 40% rally just this month alone. That's why we booked profits of 21% on our Ethereum position on the website. Over the past year, we've had multiple successful trades on Ethereum, with gains like 28%, 37%, and even 83%, and the few that didn't work out were all closed with losses of less than 5%. If you want to follow our trading strategy step by step with real-time buy alerts, sell signals, and portfolio updates, make sure to subscribe to our service using the link below.